Alright, it's time to make a comfort food classic, pasta and cheese. Starting off with a pot filled with water and a generous amount of salt. Cover and bring to boil. Now, add in your pasta, really whatever kind you like. Drizzle in some olive oil to help it from sticking together. Mix it well. And back to a boil. Now, keep it cooking for as long as the instructions say on the box. You should be aiming for an al dente. Now we're going to want to save about a cup of the starchy pasta water. Drain your pasta, rinse with some cool water, and stir it around. Leave it on the side for now. Back on the pot. Add a good amount of butter, about 2.5 cups of milk, and half of the pasta water. Some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and mix it all on medium heat. Once it's nice and steamy, add the pasta back in. Now, just a bit of yummy mozzarella cheese. Okay, a bit more. Alright, a lot more. Now, keep stirring until the cheese melts. It looks like this. I know it looks good now, but we're not done. Now let's get it onto a baking pan. That's better. Let's go ahead and sprinkle on some more mozzarella cheese on top, and in the oven it goes. Unbroil for about 10 minutes, or until you notice that the cheese becomes nice and browned. Something like this. Oh yeah, that's just right. You can see that crunchy top layer of cheese, and what you're going to be left with is a perfectly cooked, unbelievably creamy, deliciously cheesy pasta and cheese for everyone to enjoy, right here on Impossibly Kosher. Now I know you liked that video, so don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button below, and ring the bell to get notified of future videos.